Hey guys, so you will find out why my lighting is so weird in like the ending of the video, but this is the look that I am going to be doing today, and stay tuned to find out how I did it. So I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids or concealing them with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Get me loose setting powder. Take me to Brazil palette, and we're gonna go in with, so we're just gonna go in with this yellow shade right here, and we're going to pop that into the crease. I'm just gonna go in with this one right here, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower in the crease. We're just going to use, I think I'm gonna blend this green and this one. NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to cut my crease with. BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette. And I'm just using the white shade up here. And my power went out. Hello? Okay, so I don't have power back. I'm using 3 different lights. That's why the lighting looks different. I'm going to prime my face with the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Redness Control. Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade 150. So we're gonna put that all over our face. Hopefully this is the right shade for me. I haven't used this foundation in a while, so who knows. Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 15. Fit Me powder. My e.l.f. blush palette, and it's the light one. And I'm going to mix these two. I'm going to mix these two top shades. Maybe like more of this one. Bronze up my face a little bit, and I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to go in with Lyra. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna do that off camera, and I will be right back. Hey guys, so I finished my eyebrows and my bottom mascara, and I also did faux freckles. So I forget who did it. I saw a YouTuber do it, and what she did is she took her bronzer and she just scraped her spoolie in it and got some product on it, and then she just tapped it above her face, and whatever fell, like you could just swipe it away, but whatever fell, she just kind of like patted it in, and those were her faux freckles, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I tried it the other day and it worked for me, so I did it, and I think it looks really cute with this look. Oh, I also did my lips. What I used is hold on. What I used is my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick, and I used the shade Driver, and then I just put the NYX Lip of the Day liquid liner and in the shade Sunlit, and I just like put it in the middle and tapped it out. So yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.